Welcome to the channel English Learners. Today we are talking about deserts. Deserts are the driest places on earth. Sometimes no rain falls in the desert for years and years. By day, deserts may be baking hot, but at night they can be freezing cold. Animals that live in the desert have special ways of staying cool and finding water. Camels can go for days without food or water. This makes them very useful for desert transport. Some deserts, such as Namib Desert in Africa, are covered in vast seas of sand. The wind blows the sand into huge piles called sand dunes. Some dunes can be 200 meters, 650 feet high. Desert plants such as giant cactus store water in their thick stems. Cacti are covered with sharp spines to stop hungry creatures eating them. Cacti grow in the American deserts. These deserts are made of rocky plains covered in pebbles and gravel. The wind blows sand against the rocks, carving them into fantastic shapes. Desert people. Some desert people are nomads. Nomads wander from place to place, looking for food and water. They live in tents, which are easy to move. Water in the desert. In some places, water from deep underground seeps up to the surface. This is called an oasis. Here trees and plants can grow and people can find drinking water.